Directions. Listen to the audio and read the slides 1 through 4. Then you must answer all blue text box questions, numbers 2 through 10, and the check for understanding box at the bottom of slide 4. The Ancient Greeks, Lesson 1, Rise of Greek Civilization. The essential question: how does geography influence the way people live? Some guiding questions. How did physical geography influence the lives of the early Greeks? Number 2. How did the civilization of the Minoans develop? Number 3. How did the Mycenaeans gain power in the Mediterranean? Number 4. How did early Greeks spread their culture? And number 5. How did Greek city-states create the idea of citizenship? Terms to know. Peninsula, a piece of land nearly surrounded by water. Bard, someone who writes or performs epic poems or stories about heroes and their deeds. Colony, a group of people living in a new territory with close ties to their homeland, the new territory itself. Polis, a Greek city-state. Agora, a gathering place or marketplace in ancient Greece. Phalanx, a group of armed foot soldiers in ancient Greece arranged close together in rows. When did it happen? 2500 BC. Minoan civilization flourishes on Crete. This is where we are in history. 2000 BC. Mycenaeans settle in mainland Greece. 1450 BC. Minoan civilization collapses. 1100 BC. Minoan Dark Age begins. 750 BC. Greece emerges from the Dark Age. 700 BC. Greeks begin minting metal coins. Greek city-states establish colonies. And 500 BC, Athens thrives as a city-state.